Here we have a Night ProTwin Slinger. It's a model 8018. The box is 16 foot long, 6 foot wide. That's the top measurement. It's got your tandem axle on it, rocking tandem axle. It's got your small 1000 shaft. It's got 8-hole wheels on it, flotations. It's got a hydraulic. This gate's hydraulic, it closes it up. It's got your hydraulic on and off gate. We're going to show you it working here in just a minute. See it working in there? Guys, I see one right here. There's a little hole. It needs a, if you want to patch it, I don't think it mounts anything. It has been some non-factory weld plates put right here, and they've done a terrific job right here. This machine looks like she's ready to go to work. Got four hydraulic hoses on it. Got you right there.